Joanna Devi P. C. Moreno. Academic Excellence Award, may mataas na karangalan. Regional Schools Press Conference, 4th place, Best Group in Radio Broadcasting Filipino under Sinag sa Kanluran. Division Schools Press Conference, 2nd place, Radio Broadcasting Group. Division Schools Press Conference, 2nd place, Best Anchor, Radio Broadcasting Filipino under Sinag sa Kanluran. Municipal Band Competition Champion, Municipal and Provincial Lawn Tennis Player, Quezon Science High School Passer for the school year 2025-2026, Red Cross Vice President, School Benefactor as Miss United Nations Active Girl Scout, CAS Award from Allen Aliyu and Norma Digorio.